The Tioga County Public Health Department in Owego issuing a public health advisory after multiple people in the county have been diagnosed with whooping cough, also known as pertussis. Whooping cough can last weeks, even months, and is potentially deadly, especially for young children and people with weakened immune systems. While whooping cough initially can present like a cold, after a week or two, it can develop into violent, uncontrolled coughing fits, making it difficult to breathe. A vaccine, according to the health department, is the best prevention for whooping cough, but they say if you catch it, health officials ask you to stay home.